Hello all, this video is about a digital multimeter, 19,999 counts. It has a strange name, Kaisi K-9033. Price on AliExpress was 31.73 cents United States dollars. I bought it in March, arrived after 3 weeks, I think. As you saw, it's 20,000 counts multimeter. It came in a box, in an envelope, and the box inside the envelope was a little bashed on a corner. It has a pouch, some sponge inside it, not very thick, but seems to be okay. I already placed a battery inside. I received almost a month ago, and I think I didn't find any review on the internet with it. It's cheap plastic, and it has for the battery cover a thread, insert thread, brass insert, I think. I told you already, put a battery. It's a 9-volt battery, but the screw is not captive on that cover, so you have to be careful, but it's a metric 3 screw, so not very unusual. So if you lost it, no problem. Okay, the display is kind of crisp. You see, compares to my Fluke. The Fluke, it's a graphic display, but this one seems to be alright. Viewing angle is not so terrible. When you look straight at it, you can see everything on the screen. So, but I didn't open the temperature probe, and the lids is not the cheapest one, but it's not also quality one. I purchased better with $3, I think, something with silicone wire. It claims 10 amps, 1000 volts. Yeah, nobody will believe it, that, I think. Yeah, this multimeter has a bar graph dual display, and right now I connect it to my signal generator, and seems to be okay. 1 kilohertz is on par with the Fluke, but it is true RMS. They claim true RMS to 2.5 kilohertz, something like that, but we'll see later. I will test it. Actually, I was trying to catch the minus 3 dB. There seems to be a 2.8, 2.7 kilohertz. Yeah, 2.9 kilohertz. Seems to be the minus 3 dB, so it's okay. Yeah, they claim it 1 kilohertz, but it's better. Yeah, we'll check the DC accuracy. Volts seems to be okay. One count. Yeah, this voltage reference from Maxim, it's very nice. So on Fluke it's 3 volts. Yeah, so we have 4 counts. It's interesting. But many Chinese multimeters will perform better, at least like this one. They don't have a problem with the voltage DC accuracy. They have a problem with the settling time, so it's not very fast. This multimeter, and also it has a strange feature. They specify, so the white LED is luminous now. I don't know if you saw it, but right now there is, yeah, it's quite bright in this light, but on the display was nothing. And right now, as you can see, there is no light on the LED, but the display says 1.5, which is not so good. It should be 1.8, something like that. But there is something very strange with this multimeter for the diode range. They specify only 1 milliampere. So at 1 milliampere, that LED can't be lighting. Yeah, it's okay for the regular diode, 0.6 volts, no problem. And in the manual they are specifying 1 milliamp. Oh yeah, and open circuit voltage is 3 volts. Okay, kind of useful. With the regular probes is not working very good. So it Fluke leads, and they are very good. This multimeter is very good on continuity test. Right now we'll check some capacitors, 0.1 farad. Yeah, it's okay. Again, we are with the original leads, and they are not so good, these leads. I will not use it. I have different ones, but that ones has that set has silicon wires, but the tips are not so good. And the maximum value they can measure is 20 millifarads. So there should be no problem with this small value, not so small value capacitor, but yeah, it's okay. Now with the for resistance test, settling time is slow, not very slow, but slow. Yeah, the accuracy is okay, no problem. So it's 1.198. It has a hold function. Also it has peak function, but the sampling speed of this multimeter is not so good. So 10 ohms or something like that. Difference. And now I will connect my lab power supply, variable lab power supply, and you can see the sampling speed. And that bar graph is hilarious. It has no value. It's very slow. Actually, I was surprised how slow it is. I had a running 870 without a bar graph. I thought this one will be an improvement, but you cannot use that feature. Unfortunately, it's just for the picture, I think, to put it on a box. It games with it. Yeah, sampling rate also on the main display is terrible. I don't think I will use. I think I will not use this multimeter. I think I will sell it as fast as possible. Also, I noticed it came without protecting foil on the display, on the screen. But it has on that Kaisi logo there, it has a protection film, but on the main display, no. Yeah. Also, it seems to have some problem with the selector switch. Yeah, for current, DC current seems to be okay. It has also microamps range, but unfortunately I cannot check it with my DC load. I don't have a multi-term potentiometer on that DC load, and it's very hard to get a microamps range. Anyway, it has an audible warning when you overload. Yeah, I also have that NCV function. I didn't test it here because it's useless. I don't know why they implemented, but okay, it's a feature. Yeah, I was amazed by the sampling rate, and I thought, okay, let's test it on my signal generator. Go to 1 Hertz and see. So look at that bar graph. Look at the Fluke bar graph and look at that bar graph. It's stupid. Also, the frequency on the display is 0. Actually, right now you see there was 1 Hertz there. Yeah, and it goes to 0. So yeah, it's a sinusoidal signal, but it's useless. Now this is a bad multimeter. Bad multimeter if you want to measure fast changing values. Okay, it has illuminated display and also temperature without decimal points. Okay, thank you for